Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the CORSAIR MM1000 wireless gaming mousepad. Now, this is specifically designed for CORSAIR's Dark Core RGB SE mouse, which you can see right there on the mousepad itself, which retails for $90. The MM1000 mousepad that I am unboxing today right here retails for $80 US. And you can see it also includes on the right side there adapters for charging your phone of choice if your phone does not actually support Qi certified charging. So there you have the adapter as well as the lightning adapter. So they've got one micro as well as a Type-C and a lightning adapter. So again, if your phone doesn't support wireless charging, this will make it so that it does, and essentially covers both iOS and Android devices alike. Now, in terms of whether or not this is the right product for you, well, do you own a Dark Core RGB SE? If you do, then it's a great thing. And even furthermore, you're able to charge your phone when you're not charging your mouse, which I think is one of the best features of this entire setup. Of course, it's in that upper right corner where that sticker is. I will be including a link in the description for those of you that are curious. But let's go ahead and get this thing opened up, unboxed. Again, expensive, but nowhere near the pricing, well, close to the pricing of Logitech's Power Play wireless charger. And I do favor this just because, again, of that Qi certification there in that corner, because it's going to give you that flexibility to use it for more than just your mouse. It also has USB pass-through, so if you want to connect another optional USB device, jump drive, whatever it may be, you have that capability. So a lot of flexibility with this pad that you just do not get from Logitech's wireless. I mean, that pass-through port, as well as the phone adapters, these are all things that are added values that Corsair clearly didn't need to do. So let's go ahead and get this open. And, it has a smooth texture finish, which isn't for everyone. Everyone, of course, has personal preferences regarding their mouse pad of choice for gaming. I'm not a huge fan, but I also don't dislike it enough to avoid it. Let's put it that way. And this is going to give me the ability to use my Dark Core SE without having to connect it. So first thing we see out of the box, of course, is the actual USB cables that you're going to need to connect from this pad. Of course, I wish it was wireless too, but then how on earth would it power the Dark Core mouse or any Qi certified device that you decide to drop on its charge point? Let me go ahead and get the cable around here. And there you have it. So let me pull this out of the package. You can see that we got paperwork there as well as the charger adapters. I'm going to put that aside. And there is that surface that I was just talking about. It's a textured, smooth surface, braided cable. I think it's about 6 feet. The pass-through is right where my left index finger just was. And essentially, you're looking at the whole deal here. No RGB lighting, paperwork, the phone adapter. This is the micro USB adapter that you can just place directly on the Qi certified charging spot and then plug it into your phone. And then, as I'm doing right here, demonstrating, and alternatively, of course, you can connect the two that are not in frame right now, depending on whether or not you need Type-C or Lightning for Apple products. But that's pretty much it in terms of packaging. The mouse pad, again, itself, expensive, but nowhere near the realm when it comes from a value perspective, in my opinion, to the Logitech. And that's one of the reasons I picked this up, because I can charge my phone. I don't need to use this adapter, but for those of you out there that do, very nice that Corsair provided it. But for me, it was a no-brainer because I'm going to be able to game with the Dark Core mouse and then charge my phone on this as well if I want while gaming or working. But that's pretty much it. I mean, again, a nice mouse pad. Would I have liked to seen some RGB lighting? It wouldn't have hurt, but I certainly don't need any more RGBs in my life. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe. Later.